If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Bitcoin update today. And very quickly on the 1 hour time frame, I do see Bitcoin making a particular pattern right now. So this pattern is almost like a little bit of inverse head and shoulder. We talked about the completion of the D wave down here for the bat formation. Now from here you can see the prices are slowly starting to reverse, and pretty much everything that I was expecting is playing out, and we are moving according to the plan that I started 3-4 days ago. So now this should be incredibly awesome, and this should be the end of it. Okay, I do think Bitcoin shouldn't close below 21,450, and the level just raised up from 20,200. Previously 20,200 was a massive level to not lose, and now you can see that this D wave right here is also another massive level not to lose. Now, however, these are not really good stop losses, because the main key area that shouldn't absolutely be lost is finally talking about this bull flag on the daily, because that's your bull flag here. 27,000 is the technical target. So basically coming below and destroying the bull flag is a key area. This is the whole area that Bitcoin should never come down to if it wants to continue and get bullish to continue higher. Okay, now we're at 12 February. We have like 28 days in a month, and it's pretty much close to the middle of the month right now. 14, 15 is going to be the middle of the month. And if Bitcoin goes slowly to the upside, that would be amazing. If it does go slowly, that would be really, really awesome. Here's the reason why. If things start to pump very, very quickly, if you do try to get up to, even 27,000 in the middle of the month, and then from the middle of the month you go for the mid-month reversal. Did I say that correct? Mid-month reversal. Okay, in the middle of the month you start to reverse down to 22, and then you start to go down 20,000 by the end of the month, and then by the end of the month you start to close below 20,000. That's going to be a very big bull trap, and it's going to cause a lot of problem for so many people. So what do we do in this case? It would be better for you to go absolutely slowly. You just want to go up to 22,368. And by the way, this is a technical target. Bitcoin is actually eyeing for a 2% move up, which can actually be even 4, 5, 10% for the altcoins. And then you try to move up like this. You try to go sideways like that. Try to get some little correction and impulsive move, maybe something like this. Break out this high right there of the A, and then you take out the A. You continue like this, even if you do something like that. And as soon as by the end of the month you actually come and close near this $27,000, that would be amazing. I think that would be really, really good on a monthly time frame, because it's going to be breaking a lot of stuff. Now, a lot of technical analysis do believe there could be a very big bull trap. Maybe there could be bull trap, and if a lot of people are going to expect a bull trap, there might not be any bull trap at all. Okay, there might be no any bull trap, because as far as I see, as me personally, my opinion is that the RSI on the weekly looks amazing. The RSI shows that Bitcoin is meant to go to the upside. Now, however, if you do go for that big dump, it could be a very quick capitulation and then try to move up. Maybe, I don't know. If that time comes, we're going to see that. Now, I do believe that when you go up, you do tend to come down for the oversold level, but I don't even think when you go for the oversold level, it's going to be an oversold for 12,000 and 15,000, because there are structures that are being broken massively, and those structures shows that Bitcoin might have bottomed out right here. Last time I talked about the bat pattern on the weekly, that potentially 15,000 is actually your bottom. Who knows? And the next level to bottom out is 12 to 11,000 as well. So we're going to see if that happens or not. The next thing is the daily time frame. The daily time frame is where we have a technical target of 27,000. I'm just going to show you that very quickly here by pulling off the chart to the right and zoom in a little bit right there. So here we are, and we pushed up a little bit, moved sideways, broke out, and that's where you have 27,000 as your technical target. That is in play. If I do dive into the daily candlesticks that you printed out, you did make a little bit of a spinning top right there. So this is a reversal candlestick decision, and from here you've pretty much made a bullish closing as well. These two combined does actually show that the reversal is expected. And today you do have a technical target to 22,345. So if you do come up to 22,345, it would be amazing. And you continue with another green candle tomorrow, then there's going to be 3 white soldiers, and then from here you continue higher. Now do remember that back pattern is a bullish one, so basically that means we are actually somehow, if this is actually a D, you're still meant to come above 24,000 and go even higher. So that's the good thing. And that's pretty much it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.